Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Local SEO Citation Lab YouTube channel. Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to create gig in Fiverr.com. I already opened my account in browser. Now I click here. Gig selling option, then I click gig, create new gig. This is very simple. My gig title is gig title depend on your skill. What work you can do, it's depend on your skill. My skill is local SEO, that's why I select I'll do local citation for your business, customer traffic. I select here category digital marketing and subcategory is local listing. Okay, now search tag. I put here local listing, local citation, Google Place, business directory, digital marketing, okay, 5 tag selection. Okay, now I click save and continue. Okay, now I need to set up package. Here is the 3 package option: basic, standard and premium. I select 20 local citation for basic, I will provide you 20 quality citation. It describes the details of offering. Now standard package, I put here 50 local citation, 50 high quality, citation, and describe the details of your offering. I will provide you 50 high quality local citation. Premium package, hundred quality local listing or citation, listing citation. I want to improve my package, this big package, so I want to add 50 local citation is basic and 100 local citation is standard and 150 citation is premium. I put here details. I will provide you 150 quality, okay. Now I need to set up delivery time. This depend on your time. I put here 3 days. Setup, directory submission, account setup, price. I put here $25 for 50 citation, and delivery time for 100 citation I set it 7 days. Okay. And citation price is $60. And on 50 citation, a setup time 10 days. Directory submission, account setup. It is depend on your skill. Because my gig is directory submission, that's why I selected directory submission and account setup. Now I set up premium package price $90 for 150 citation and extra fast delivery. It is, I select on days, for on days extra $5. I put $10. And for standard package, I select 3 days, price $15 extra. Premium, for premium I select 5 days, price $20 extra. Now okay. Now I set up 50 local citation for basic package, standard package high quality 100 citation, and premium package 150 citation. That's why I select 3 type of basic 3 days, standard 7 days, and premium 10 days. I select extra fast delivery 1 days for extra $10, and standards 3 days for extra $15, and premium 5 days for extra $20. Now everything okay. Now I click 7 continue. Brightly describe your gig. You need to put here your gig details. What is your skill, what you can do, everything. I already write it for my other gig. I will take it for my previous gig. Just I need to update the info. I put here have past experience to do citation and yes other details. I just put here I'll provide you my best work. My best work. Local citation. Local listing. Local directory listing. Three name, but work is same, just name different. Okay. You need to put this description details. It is depend on your skill, what you can do. Then you can put here your skill details. Now I put here is my skill details. Now everything okay. Now I click save and continue. Tell your bot what you need to do, get started. For start work, what info need you? You need to put here work start details. I put here my business required info for start work. Owner name, company name, address, city, state, zip code, phone, established website, business contact email, and others info. Now I click add. Yes. Now I click save and continue. Now you need to add image or video with your previous work sample. I already size image for this gig. Now I click browse. I click desktop. Yes, here is the picture. I open it. Now picture everything okay. Now I click save and continue. Published gig. Done. Here is my new gig. Now I click open new tab. Save and preview. I click save and preview. Now my gig is complete. Yes, everything okay. Now gig is complete. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share my video. Then I will be inspired to create new video for you. See you again with new video. Goodbye.